Hi guys, here's Belsee. Today I will introduce this 10.1-inch special Android 9 Pie system from Peugeot 2012 206. Okay, let me introduce head unit. You can choose the time. You can choose logo. You can check Belsee is the manufacturer of Android car head unit. Telephone number and the email address you can contact to us. Back to home. It's built-in microphone and reset home. There are two SD card slots. SD card slots have two. Okay. You can choose Peugeot logo. Okay, you can change the button color with green, blue, red, any color you can adjust this panel. Orange, yellow. Let me choose the red. Okay. All apps are here. It's built-in DSP amplifier. And Google Maps, it's built-in Google Play Store. You can download the applications from Play Store. Okay, let me check the settings. It's built-in Wi-Fi, already connected Wi-Fi. About motion, you can check MCU volume, CPU octa-core, memory size 4GB, model PX5, Android 9 Pie system. Okay, let me back. And let me check the storage. You can check total 64GB. Okay, firstly let me introduce the Bluetooth. Long press, you can open the icon, choose the Bluetooth, bring back to home. And if you click it again, you can long press to set it. This device name and the pin number. Okay, let me connect the phone Bluetooth. Okay, let me open my phone. You can check this is my phone. You can turn on the Bluetooth. Okay. You can search the radio station. You can search the device and click pair button. Okay, you can put the phone pin number 1234. Click OK. And if it do not connected, please search it again and connect it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, it show connected for all calls. It show Bluetooth icon. Okay, you can make a free phone call. Okay, it works. You can stream music from your phone. Bluetooth from your phone. Volume. Okay, it works Bluetooth. Stream music from your phone. Okay, there are two USB cable on back. LAN cable. This USB driver. Device mount, you can check. This USB disk one. This DSP amplifier. It supports running Google Navigation and music at the same time. Video disabled for your safety, so you need to set it in the settings. Find the setting, car setting, watch video. It's 4K Samsung 4K demo video. Roll the world. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. Okay, thank you.